Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for this March 27th, 2023. I hope everybody's had a great Monday out there so far. Hope everybody's having a great evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the weather charts for your Tuesday and Wednesday. We're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We're going to take a look at the watch and warning advisories. And also we're going to take a look at the 7-day rainfall total. And also take a look at the snowfall total over the next 10 days, 10 to 12 days coming up toward the end of the video. Alright, consider subscribing to my channel if you have not. If you're a new viewer, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Love to have you. Also, like these videos and share these videos and with your friends, family, and neighbors or whoever. Try to get the forecast out to as many people as possible. And let's begin. Let's get the show on the road. Alright, here's a look at the forecast for your Tuesday, March 28th. We got some mixed precipitation over northern Maine. Also, we have some mixed precipitation also over a portion of West Virginia and Virginia area. Also, we have mixed precipitation out west over here from near Seattle, Washington, all the way back down into portions of California. Some flooding issues possible along coastal areas from Los Angeles up to San Francisco. Also, some shower activity also up toward near the west coast of Oregon and Washington State. We have some shower activity over here around Missouri and also over in Indiana. We have snow flying over here in a portion of South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota, and a portion of Wisconsin. Also, we have a little bit of mixed precipitation over a portion of Iowa and also over toward Michigan. Also, we have showers and thunderstorms extending from near Virginia through Kentucky to Tennessee to the Carolinas, all the way down into Florida and all the way back into Texas. As a stall frontal boundary hangs out in that area and kind of wavers back and forth in the forecast area. Okay, here's a look at your Wednesday forecast. We got mixed precipitation, snow flying over the northeast, extending from Maine back to Montreal, Canada, Toronto, Canada, and also back over northern Wisconsin and Michigan. Also back over into Iowa. Quiet conditions expected from Philadelphia to Washington, D.C., all the way down to the Georgia area, back to Dallas, Texas, and also back over toward New Mexico and Colorado. Shower and thunderstorm activity over southeast Texas and also over southern Florida. Also more mixed precipitation flying over here in a portion of Idaho to Utah, northern Arizona, and to California, and also back over toward the Washington State area, just south of Seattle. And also we got a little bit of snow flying in Montana and portion of Wyoming and also a portion of Nevada. We got some thunderstorm activity extending from Los Angeles back to San Francisco. Alright, here's our forecast weather radar here. We're looking at there's some snow and rain showers over the northeastern United States from New York State back into a portion of Pennsylvania. Also showers extending in PA and also back over toward Maryland and Maine. New Hampshire and Vermont. Also we have shower and thunderstorms to the south and southeastern United States, slowly pushing off into Florida and also offshore. We got a little bit of activity with another frontal system trying to spark off a few showers in North Carolina and maybe upstate South Carolina. Some of this activity could sneak into the area, but it should be dying off here very shortly. We got shower and thunderstorm over Texas, showers over portions of Kansas. Also, we got snow shower flying over Nebraska and also portion of Colorado, Wyoming, and also back up to Idaho. Also, we have vicinity. Alright, let's move on to the watch and warning advisories. As we can see, pretty much quiet along the east coast, even a portion of the central United States, even Texas included. Also, we have winter weather advisory, winter storm warning over portions of South Dakota back then. So we have some Red flag warning effect for portions of New Mexico, Texas, and also Colorado. We have winter storm warning, weather advisories, and wind advisories over here in the boat as well. Okay, let's move on to the 7-day rainfall total. As we can see, we got the heaviest precipitation along the Gulf Coast, a little bit down in Mexico and offshore in the Atlantic waters. Also up here in the Ohio River Valley, also got some heavier snow, and also around the Great Lakes and also portion of southern Canada and the northeastern United States. Mid-Atlantic region here and portion of Carolina, kind of lighter amounts of precipitation. Also, we have lighter precipitation over southern Canada and also into central portion of the United States. Heavier precipitation over here from southern southwest Canada all the way down into northern central California, and also a portion of Idaho, also over toward Colorado and Utah, and portion of Nevada as well. Alright, and finally we're going to wrap up this video with the 10 to 12 day snowfall total. This goes all the way through April the 9th. The heaviest snowfall would occur over in northern Canada, maybe a few inches of snow possible in Maine, all the way back into portions of West Virginia, and also into portion of PA, also into Michigan and Wisconsin, all the way back over toward the West Coast into the Rocky Mountain region, also in the Sierras, and also portions of the California mountain range areas, also over in a portion of New Mexico and Arizona. And no snow over the southeastern United States, except maybe just a few snow flurries possible in western North Carolina later on this week or next week one. Okay, well, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope everybody has a great evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Consider subscribing. Love to have you. And enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And we will catch you back in the next one.